Athens is a captivating city where ancient history seamlessly blends with modern energy. The city is a vibrant tapestry of ancient ruins, charming neighborhoods, and lively markets. It's a place where you can wander through the footsteps of Socrates and Plato, then enjoy a delicious meal at a rooftop restaurant overlooking the Acropolis. Athens offers a truly unforgettable experience for every traveler. Athens is a city best explored on foot. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of Plaka. Discover hidden cafes and soak up the atmosphere of this historic neighborhood. Athens is a city that rewards exploration. Athens is a feast for the senses. Indulge in mouth-watering souvlaki, fresh seafood, and traditional Greek pastries. The aroma of spices fills the air in the markets. The sounds of traditional Greek music drift from tavernas. Let Athens captivate you with its unique charm and energy. Rising high above the city, the Acropolis is an iconic symbol of Athens, standing as a proud sentinel over the bustling metropolis below. It is a testament to the glory of ancient Greece, a civilization that has profoundly influenced the world. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to some of the most important architectural masterpieces of antiquity, including the Parthenon, which dominates the hilltop. The Acropolis is a must-see for any visitor to Athens, offering a journey back in time to the days of ancient philosophers and warriors. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, is the most famous structure on the Acropolis, renowned for its perfect proportions and majestic presence. Its impressive Doric columns and intricate friezes have inspired awe for centuries, showcasing the artistic and engineering prowess of the ancient Greeks. The Erechtheion, with its iconic Porch of the Caryatids, is another highlight, featuring statues of maidens that serve as columns. These structures offer a glimpse into the architectural genius of the ancient Greeks, who combined functionality with beauty in their designs. To make the most of your visit, arrive early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the crowds and the midday heat, ensuring a more pleasant experience. Wear comfortable shoes, as the Acropolis involves a fair amount of walking and climbing with uneven surfaces that can be challenging. Allow ample time to explore the site and soak up the historical significance of this remarkable place where every stone has a story to tell. At the foot of the Acropolis lies the ancient Agora, the heart of ancient Athenian democracy. This was not just a place but a symbol of the democratic ideals that shaped Western civilization. This bustling marketplace was the center of political, social, and commercial life in ancient Athens. Here, merchants sold their goods, philosophers debated ideas, and politicians made decisions that would influence the course of history. Today, it's a sprawling archaeological site that offers a fascinating glimpse into the past. Walking through these ruins, one can almost hear the echoes of ancient voices and feel the pulse of a once thriving community. The most well-preserved structure in the Agora is the Temple of Hephaestus, a beautifully preserved Doric temple dedicated to the god of fire and metalworking. Its majestic columns and intricate details stand as a testament to ancient Greek architectural prowess. Wander through the ruins of the Stoa of Attalos, a reconstructed covered walkway that once housed shops and businesses. This stoa was a bustling hub of activity, where Athenians would gather to shop, socialize, and discuss the issues of the day. Imagine the lively discussions and debates that once took place in this historic setting. The Agora was more than just a marketplace, it was the beating heart of Athenian public life. As you explore the Agora, take time to appreciate the significance of this place. Each stone and column tells a story of a society that valued dialogue, debate, and democratic principles. This was the birthplace of democracy, where citizens gathered to discuss politics, philosophy, and the issues of the day. It was here that the seeds of democratic governance were sown, influencing countless generations to come. The Agora stands as a reminder of the enduring legacy of ancient Greek civilization. Its ruins are not just remnants of the past, but symbols of the ideas and values that continue to shape our world today. Nestled beneath the Acropolis, Plaka is the oldest neighborhood in Athens and a delight to explore. Its narrow, winding streets are lined with neoclassical houses adorned with bougainvillea charming cafes and traditional tavernas. It's easy to lose track of time as you wander through this historic neighborhood. Plaka is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from handmade jewelry and leather goods to traditional Greek ceramics and souvenirs. Stop for a coffee or a refreshing glass of ouzo at one of the many cafes. Enjoy a leisurely lunch or dinner at a traditional taverna, savoring delicious Greek cuisine. As you explore Plaka, be sure to visit the Roman Agora, another important archaeological site located in the heart of the neighborhood. The Tower of the Winds, an octagonal marble clock tower dating back to the 1st century BC, is another highlight. Section 5: Monastiraki, Treasures and Bargains. Adjacent to Plaka, Monastiraki is a vibrant mix of old and new. It's best known for its flea market, where you can find everything from antiques and vintage clothing to souvenirs and everyday items. Haggling is expected, so be prepared to negotiate for the best prices. After exploring the market, take some time to discover the nearby attractions. The Tsistarakis Mosque, dating back to the 18th century, is a unique site in Athens. The nearby Hadrian's Library, built by the Roman Emperor Hadrian in the 2nd century AD, is another historical gem. Monastiraki is also a great place to sample traditional Greek street food. Grab a souvlaki or a gyro from a street vendor. Try a koulouri, a sesame-covered bread ring, for a quick snack. Monastiraki offers a taste of authentic Athenian life. Section 6: Temple of Olympian Zeus, a glimpse of Roman grandeur. While the Acropolis dominates the Athenian skyline, the Temple of Olympian Zeus stands as a testament to the city's Roman past. This magnificent structure, though often overshadowed by the Acropolis, holds its own unique charm and historical significance. This colossal temple, dedicated to Zeus, the king of the gods, was once the largest temple in Greece. Its sheer size and the grandeur of its columns are a marvel to behold, even in their ruined state. Today, it's a ruin, but its massive columns still inspire awe. Visitors from around the world come to stand in the shadow of these ancient pillars, feeling the weight of history. Construction of the temple began in the 6th century BC, but it was not completed until the reign of the Roman Emperor Hadrian in the 2nd century AD. This long construction period reflects the changing political and cultural landscapes of ancient Greece and Rome. The temple's size and grandeur reflect the power and ambition of the Roman Empire. Its intricate details and massive scale are a testament to the architectural and engineering prowess of the Romans. Imagine this imposing structure in its full glory. The temple, with its towering columns and grand design, would have been a sight to behold, dominating the landscape and inspiring awe in all who saw it. Located just a short walk from the Acropolis and the Plaka neighborhood, the Temple of Olympian Zeus is easily accessible. Its proximity to other historical sites makes it a must-visit for anyone exploring Athens. It's a fascinating site to explore, offering a glimpse into the architectural prowess of the Romans and their influence on Athens. The temple stands as a bridge between the ancient Greek and Roman worlds, showcasing the blend of cultures and the enduring legacy of these great civilizations. For breathtaking panoramic views of Athens, head to Liabetes Hill, the highest point in the city. From the summit, you'll be rewarded with stunning vistas of the Acropolis, the cityscape, and the Saronic Gulf. It's the perfect spot to capture memorable photos of your trip. You can reach the top of Liabetes Hill by funicular or by hiking up the winding path. The funicular offers a quick and easy ascent, while the hike provides a more scenic and rewarding experience. If you choose to hike, wear comfortable shoes and bring water. The best time to visit Liabetes Hill is in the late afternoon, just before sunset. As the sun begins to set, the city is bathed in a warm, golden light, creating a magical ambiance. It's a truly unforgettable experience. Syntagma Square, the heart of modern Athens, is a bustling hub of activity. This historic square is home to the Greek Parliament, the tomb of the unknown soldier, and numerous cafes and hotels. It's a great place to people watch and soak up the energy of the city. One of the highlights of visiting Syntagma Square is witnessing the changing of the guard ceremony. Every hour, on the hour, the Evzones, the elite presidential guards, perform a meticulously choreographed changing of the guard in front of the tomb of the unknown soldier. The Evzones' distinctive uniforms and precision marching are a sight to behold. Syntagma Square is also a major transportation hub, with metro and bus connections to all parts of the city. It's a great starting point for exploring Athens, with many of the city's top attractions within easy walking distance. No trip to Athens is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. From traditional tavernas to trendy cafes, Athens offers a wide range of dining options to satisfy every taste and budget. Be sure to try classic Greek dishes like moussaka, souvlaki, and fresh seafood. Getting around Athens is easy and affordable thanks to the city's extensive public transportation system. The metro is the fastest and most efficient way to get around, with lines connecting all the major attractions. Buses are another option, offering a more scenic way to see the city. Beyond the iconic landmarks, Athens is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Escape the city bustle in the National Garden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of Athens. Explore the charming neighborhood of Thissio, with its cafes and stunning views of the Acropolis. Athens is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. From its ancient ruins to its vibrant modern culture, Athens offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. So, pack your bags, book your flights, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Athens. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or simply soaking up the Mediterranean atmosphere, Athens has something to offer everyone. Let the ancient stories of gods and heroes inspire you. Wander through the footsteps of philosophers and artists. Discover the warmth and hospitality of the Greek people. Your Athenian adventure awaits. Start planning your trip today and experience the magic of this incredible city for yourself.